Hello guys, I greet you from Gordons Bay, the lovely Gordons Bay. As you can see, I've got a beautiful view of Gordons Bay. Now with RBTI, just to quickly jump to the point, RBTI gives you a view of your body. The Bible says our body is a temple, so offer to God, sacrifice. We live our life for ourselves. We eat what we like and we do what we like, and thereby forsaking our temples. So RBTI stands for Rims's biological theory of ionization. You take 7 numbers of the body, your carb level, the pH into your body, the pH out of your body, your conductivity of your body, your debris that your kidneys is secreting, your ammonia and nitrogen. By knowing these numbers and correcting that numbers, Dr. Reams, Dr. Carey Reams from RBTI, if you want to Google, he had a 95% success in reversing disease. It's also our success. If you know our CB, or our reference rather, you would see that we've got a huge success in reversing disease by knowing this equation of the body, by knowing this view of the body. So book a RBTI test, find out your numbers. People find me and ask me about hormones and cholesterol and heart and whatever, irrelevant of the symptom. If you know your equation of your body, RBTI, and you correct that numbers with lifestyle, your chance of reversing disease is 95%. Contact us, RBTI, Dr. Neetling, 081 44 325 34. Thank you and goodbye.